yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S given here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here with JayA. JayA with a song called Bigger Picture. You see me? Bigger Picture. That's why I said big up the production team behind the one, yeah. Natural Band Entertainment, big up yourself. Also, big up the promotion team behind the one, yeah. Shot Them Entertainment. Shot them, big up yourself, bro. You reach out to me and say, yo, dog, when you do some work for me, you know. I say, oh, you mean? Work have to be done. So once work have to be done, work have to be done. So JMG, big up yourself. See you get a monster song with Dexter and Vado. So big up yourself and continue put in the work, bro. Don't stop. You hear that? Bad artist. Anyway, let's jump in on and hear what the G said. Bigger Picture.
Your Natural Band Entertainment.
Big up Natural Band.
Yo, LV. Yeah. Yeah. Me just wish all of my dogs could see the bigger picture. Just a try to make these millions and get richer.
The boss say, him wish all them dog them could have seen the bigger picture. You know what I mean by that? That means say, yo, him want him dog them for the on the same level as him, you know. Him no want rich by himself, you know. You see me? Him a bring him day one them with him. So him and him dogs them for the on the same fucking picture, bro. You have some man bad mind and grudgeful. Them alone for elevate. Them alone for rise up. No, sir. Not JayA. JayA say, yo, all the way for rise up. You know, one team, one dream. Let's go.
Dogs could see the bigger picture. Just a try to make these millions and get richer. Enough man bad and no one see the vision. Even a 5-year-old with squeeze trigger to be.
Yeah, enough man just bad and no one see the vision, brother. Even a 5-year-old can squeeze trigger, bro. Anybody can be a shatter. But you have to wake up sometime and see the bigger picture. Them say, yo, people grow, people get older, but not everybody get mature with it. You see me? So you have to wake up and see the bigger picture, bro. Money I pre-dog and life, you know.
Bigger picture. Just a try to make these millions and get richer. Enough man bad and no one see the vision. Even a 5-year-old with squeeze trigger to be a real gangster. Yeah. If your mama in the garrison, you have to take her out.
Rule number bumbo clot one. If brother, yo, pull up that bum, pull up.
Your Natural Band Entertainment. Yo, LV.
It's a lyric video.
Yeah.
So you know, can't miss nothing. None.
Yeah.
Ready.
Me just wish all of my dogs could see the bigger picture.
Yeah.
Such a fi make these millions and get richer.
Yeah.
Enough man bad and no one see the vision. Even a 5-year-old with squeeze trigger to be a real gangster. Yeah. If your mama in the garrison, you have to take her out.
To be a real gangster, bro. I like chop them out the way I chop. And I chop and I give girl them money and I girl out them money and I... Bro. If your mother in the ghetto, that's the rule number one. Get her out, mama for good. You know? So nobody don't fuck your dog. You know? See the bigger picture, man.
Gangster, yeah. If your mama in the garrison, you have to take her out.
Facts.
Real gangster, yeah. Can't let the earth and your legacy a joke.
I always say this. You can't left the earth and you don't left no legacy. Yeah, some man out there have all 1,000 girl and don't have one youth. I mean, I thought this for the man them who can't get no youth. I talk about the man them who can breed girl and not. It's like, I don't know. If you're dead right now, it's like you never did live. What happened to you? Move from
Gangster, yeah. Can't let the earth and your legacy a joke. Me have dogs that do life in a jail. We still call me phone and I tell me if you no fail. He tell me.
Even though them dogs them there behind bars, him dogs them a do life. Him dogs them want to see him happy same way, bro. The dogs them want to see him make it same way. Regardless, you see me? Real friends, bro.
Life in a jail. We still call me phone and I tell me if you no fail.
Sure.
He tell me hard for the ones in the grave. Who tell me all makes it and me happy shed a tell.
Yeah.
The excuses are just a hurt still. But if you ask your mother, she will say we are theirs. She show we God ways. Me didn't know it change. Hey, me just wish all of my dogs could see the bigger picture. Just
me like how I come back to it. Me just wish all of my dogs them could have see the bigger picture and them come back and show you the house again. Them thing they are the pre. Why them song you not get no heavy rotation in the streets are pan radio are them thing the dog. Why them song you not go viral? You know why? Cause people love fuckery. People love the same fuckery, bro. And the people them out the way I say yo, no good song na drop. See good song ya? See Bumbleclaw good song ya, bro.
Hey, me just wish all of my dogs could see the bigger picture. Just a traffic make this millions and get richer. Just some man bad, them now want see the vision. Even a 5-year-old with space trigger to be a real gangster. Yeah, if your mother in the garrison, you have to take her out. Real gangster, yeah. Can't let the earth or your legacy a joke. Wish them could have seen like the picture on the wall. Just a traffic make the millions and stack it all.
Yeah.
No one fi see no mother ball. Come make we go bring her and go spend $1 million down at the mall.
Definitely. We don't want to see no mother ball. What I mean that so him say oh him no want to see no youth I get gunshot, brother. Too much young youth are dead, bro, when I live no life, dog. And every time them dead, the burden left back on them parents or upon them family member. The man say, yo, me no want to see no mother ball, bro. You see me? Let's make it a date and bring her at the mall. Simple. You see me? Get her nails done. Get her feet did. Pedicure. One bag of thing, you know? Shopping. Them thing there, bro.
You see no mother ball. Come make we go bring her and go spend $1 million down at the mall. Yeah. There's more to life. You go see living on car for drive. Driving jet fierce through the skies.
Facts.
Wish all of my dogs could see the bigger picture. Just a traffic make this millions and get richer. Just some man bad, them now want see the vision. Even a 5-year-old with squeeze trigger to be a real gangster. Yeah. If your mother in the garrison, you have to take her out. Real gangster. Yeah. Can't let the earth and your legacy a joke. Real gangster, don't ever be negative. Real gangster, always a think positive. Protect our woman and kids. We don't take from the poor, we give. That's
protect your woman and kids as a gangster, bro. You have to. I remember the times in Jamaica when bad man or gangster couldn't even look on a woman and bow them arm a woman, brother, or a kid. No, the man them not no aunt, bro. Those are gangsters. Those are real gangsters. The man them protect them, the woman them and the kids them, bro. Some of them man, yo, I'm tell you dog.
Protect our woman and kids. We don't take from the poor, we give. That's all gangsters.
All right. Yeah, rob a nurse where I got work, go stand up on her feet for 10 hour, 11 hour shift. Yeah, rob a taxi driver. Yeah, rob a bus driver. Yeah, shoot up a bus. Yeah, rob a woman where do cleaning or a helper job, bro. And I say, yeah, gangster. Yeah, petty thief, brother. Your fingernail them forget pick out. You're not gangster, bro. You're not gangster. You're just a thief, bro. There's a big difference. You know?
Our woman and kids, we don't take from the poor, we give. That's all gangster is.
Sure.
Okay then. One go this side. You know the crime makes but all the time.
Natural bad, big up yourself. Shot them entertainment, big up yourself, bro. Bumbleclaw, bad song dog. JayA, big up yourself, bro. Video clean. We don't need to see JayA in the video. We just need to mess with the man I said, bro. And I think that is a very smart move to put that a lyric video. You see me? It would have been good to see him in the video doing thing, but we satisfied with this nice. See him here. You see me? The message is pretty bigger picture, yo. The gangster them for pretty bigger picture them. But what more I know still, all this not have the hundreds of thousands of views. Oh, cause people love fuckery. People, brother, say good song you drop. Say good song you drop, bro. JayA, big up yourself, bro. Don't give up. Keep on pushing. Keep on fighting, bro. Bad artist. You see me? Once again, shot them entertainment. Big up yourself, my bro. Big up yourself for reaching out and say, yo, Rory, you see me? So, do the work for you, you see me? Yo, young artist, wanna reach out, you know? You see me? Reach out pan the gram, you see me? Jamaica _rest_gamer over my head. Hear me I say, The link to that video I got there in the description. The link to that video I got there in the description. Also, the link here come forward straight from them VEVO. So make sure say when you go over in VEVO or drop a follow. You see me? Just drop a sub. It's free. It not costing nothing. Just drop a sub for the G. You see me? Yeah. JA, once again, pick up yourself. Shot them entertainment, pick up yourself. Natural band, pick up yourself. This one I'm going to leave down there. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.